In this video, I will show you how to add funds to your BullX account. So to get started, go ahead and open BullX. And here, click on the top right corner of your screen and you'll be able to find the sidebar of BullX. Click on your wallet manager and head over into the wallet section to be able to make sure that your BullX account is connected into your wallet. Now, once you have connected your BullX account into your wallet using your private key, you can now go ahead and head over into the manage section where you can actually simply add funds to your wallet by hitting on that add funds button, and this will pop up on your screen so you can simply scan the QR code from your device to be able to add funds using your other wallet, or copy this address and use this on the wallet where you have your funds and send the funds into this address. And that is how you can simply add funds to your BullX account.